In this video, I'll guide you through how to import a database in MySQL on Hostinger. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a database file from your computer and upload it into your Hostinger hosting account using hpanel and peep-myadmin. First, make sure you're already logged into your Hostinger account and that you're in the hpanel dashboard. That's the main control panel where you manage your hosting settings, websites, and databases. If you're not there yet, log in and choose the hosting plan that contains the website you want to work with. Once you're in hpanel, you'll start by navigating to the correct section. At the top, look for the websites area, then click it. From there, find the website you want to manage and click manage. This will open the management page for that specific site. Here you'll see several tools and options. You want to locate the databases section. Inside that section, look for the option called peep-myadmin. This is the tool you'll use to actually import your database. Next, you'll enter peep-myadmin for the specific database you want to fill. You should see a list of existing databases, each with a button or link that says Enter peep-myadmin. Find the database where you want to import your data. If you're restoring a backup or moving a site, this will usually be the database that's already connected to your website in its configuration file. Click Enter peep-myadmin next to that database, and a new tab or window will open with the peep-myadmin interface. Inside peep-myadmin, look near the top of the screen for several tabs like Structure, SQL, Search, and so on. You're interested in the Import tab, click on Import to open the database import page. This is where you'll upload your database file. Now it's time to choose your file. In the import screen, you'll see a section that allows you to upload a file from your computer. Click the button labeled Choose File. This will open a file selection window on your device. Navigate to the folder where your database backup is stored. The file you're looking for should have a .sql extension, or it might be a compressed file like .sql.zip. Select the correct file and confirm your choice so it appears next to the Choose File button in peep-myadmin. Before you start the import, it's a good idea to quickly glance through the settings on the page, but in most cases, the default options work perfectly. Just make sure that the file name looks correct and that you haven't accidentally chosen the wrong database or the wrong file. Once everything looks good, scroll down to the bottom of the import page. There, you'll find the button to begin the process. Depending on your peep-myadmin version, this button may be labeled Import or Go. Click that button to start importing your database. The import may take a few seconds or a bit longer, depending on the size of your file. When it's done, peep-myadmin should display a success message near the top of the page, and your tables and data will appear in the left sidebar. That's all you need to do. I'll show you the easiest way to import a database in MySQL on Hostinger, and with these steps, you're ready to restore backups, migrate sites, or set up new projects using your existing database files.